Good evening, all of you, and a very warm welcome to another scintillating musical performance by Aparna ji. Aparna ji has been generous enough to allot a little time for honoring all the participants and also the winners of the recently held Senior Citizens Talent Competition, and also to honor the students of her Gurukul, whom she has to present the certificates of the diploma and the beginner's course. And also, she intends honoring all the participants with certificates and medals so that it will be an incentive for them to take part in the future. It gives me great pleasure to announce that Aparna ji has decided to start the degree course from June, and those interested in pursuing the degree course can approach Aparna ji. They need not do the entire 4.5 years course from the beginners to the degree. They can, if they're already trained, try to get into the degree course directly, provided they pass the audition that she intends holding. This year, she plans to hold another competition, which the details will be announced shortly. But this time, it is not for the above 60s, but below 60, because there are a lot of enthusiastic participants who were disappointed that the age limit has been 60. So I hope this is good enough for news. Aparna ji, her foray into the musical world has started right from her childhood at a tender age of 4, when she would imitate Lata's songs, and overhearing her melody, the parents encouraged her to come up, and the whole family stood by her throughout. So, like the bakul flower, which spreads its fragrance all over for days and years to come, Aparna grew out to be a very talented person, and like the varieties of champa that we have spreading fragrance, she's shown in a lot of fields, not only music, but even her medical career, which was her mother's ambition, that she should become a doctor. And she ended up being a fellow of the medical fraternity. And she also sang playback for a lot of films. And she has the ability to sing in a lot of languages, at least 5, 6 languages. There is just not enough time to describe her achievements. But by now, all of you know. And she is the founder and the director of the app company, the Aparna Avsarkar musical company. Now she would welcome start the program, and I would welcome Aparna ji to come and sing her favorite song, which all along she's been singing and is never tired of it. Mani.
आजा रे मैं तो कब से खड़ी इस पार, ये अखियाँ थक गई पंथ निहार। आजा रे परदेसी, मैं तो कब से खड़ी इस पार, ये अखियाँ थक गई पंथ निहार। आजा रे गई पंथ निहार। आजा रे परदेसी। तुम संग जन्म जन्म के फेरे, भूल गए क्यों साजन मेरे। तुम संग जन्म जन्म के फेरे, भूल गए क्यों साजन मेरे। तड़पत हूँ मैं सांझ सवेरे, आजा रे मैं तो कब से खड़ी इस पार, ये अखियाँ थक गई पंथ निहार। आजा रे परदेसी।
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त, आज का होस्ट वसंत मारू। आप सबको तहे दिल से इस्तेमाल करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं, वेलकम करता हूं। दोस्तों, डॉक्टर अपर्णास म्यूजिकल नाइट, ये एक भव्य सपना था एक इंसान का जिसे संगीत से प्यार था, और उसने अपनी बेटी को, छोटी बेटी को गाते देखा और सपना का साकार हुआ। ये छोटी बेटी यही डॉक्टर अपर्णा जी है, और इनके पिताजी ने डॉक्टर्स आप म्यूजिक कंपनी की स्थापना की 22 मार्च 1991 को। दोस्तों, संगीत की चीज़ ऐसी है जो आप और हम जुड़े हुए हैं। बरसते बारिश में संगीत है, सागर के उछलते मोजे में संगीत है, बच्चा जब रोता है तो उसकी आवाज़ में संगीत है, ये दिल जो धड़कता है वो भी संगीत है, और आपकी तालियां भी एक संगीत है दोस्तों। तो बचपन की बात करूँ कि डॉक्टर अपर्णा जी संगीत प्रेमी थी, गाने गाते रहती थी और शरारती भी बहुत थी। सब अपनी बड़ी दीदी माया जी से काम करवा देती और गाना गा देती थी। मेरी बात पे यकीन न हो तो मैं अभी माया दीदी को बुला दूँ। माया जी प्लीज़ आइए और उनकी शरारत के बारे में बताइए।
नमस्कार, मैं